In the second phase of Omna's journey, we will start it with the chapter 7 of Environmental Studies, From the Window. Today is the 17th May, it's 7:30 morning. It is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. That was written on the board of the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of गोवा. गोवा में मडगांव आया है तो उनको तो केरला जाना है, तो उनको कई सारे स्टेशंस पास करने हैं. तो जो स्टेट है गोवा इज़ अ स्टेट, वहाँ का ये एक मडगांव स्टेशन है. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scenes outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere. Fields were red soil and green crops. Hills covered with trees. जब गुजरात में था तब क्या सीन था? एवरीथिंग वर ड्राइड अप, ब्राउन था और ड्राई था, सूखा था. और महाराष्ट्र गोवा में आने के बाद क्या हुआ? गोवा स्टेट में आए तो क्या हुआ? शी फाउंडेड एवरीथिंग ग्रीन. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away behind the hills more water. I can't make out it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. पीपल वहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ से एक लेवल जो क्रॉसिंग है वहाँ से अगर ट्रेन पास हो जाती है तो दोनों साइड के लोग दूसरे रास्ते पे जा सकते हैं. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tangas and bullock carts with people and goods in them. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicles even while waiting at the level crossing. नॉर्मली लेवल क्रॉसिंग पे ट्रेन आती है तब तक का टाइम, आके बाद में पास होती है तब तक के टाइम में काफ़ी लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो व्हीकल को ऑन रखते हैं. इससे एयर पॉल्यूशन और नॉइस पॉल्यूशन बढ़ता है. यू शुड टर्न ऑफ योर व्हीकल्स वाइल यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेन्स. या फिर आप सिग्नल पे हैं, क्रॉसिंग पे है, कहीं पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि आपको 2 से 3 मिनट का टाइम कम से कम लगना है, तो यू मस्ट स्विच ऑफ योर व्हीकल्स. There is a lot of smoke and noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. कई लोग होते हैं जो क्रॉसिंग के नीचे से चल के निकल जाते हैं कि अभी तो ट्रेन को आने को देरी है तो निकल जाते हैं, बट ये चीज़ डेंजरस है. 2 मिनट की देरी जान से ज़्यादा महंगी नहीं होती. At times our train crosses another train only, and I tried to count the carriages in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast we always got confused. दो ट्रेन कभी ऐसा होता है ना जैसे हमारी ट्रेन भी पास हो रही है, साथ में से दूसरा भी ट्रेन क्रॉस हो रहा है, तो दे ट्राई टू काउंट द कोचेस बट पॉसिबल हुआ नहीं. What was the difference in the scene that Omna saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? First day उसने क्या देखा था? She saw that dry fields, many fields but dry. She saw some villages. And in the second day she saw ponds, sea, green fields. So this was a difference between today's scenario from the window. Omna saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? कई सारे व्हीकल्स देखे थे तो उनमें से कई कुछ होंगे विच ऑफ दैम जो पेट्रोल पे चलते हैं तो कोई डीजल पे. तो पेट्रोल से यू कैन राइड योर स्कूटर, मोटरसाइकिल. ऑन डीजल यू कैन राइड ट्रक, बसेस, देन व्हाट वाज दैट, ओके यहाँ पे रिक्शाज ऑल्सो रन्स ऑन पेट्रोल. So rickshaws are on petrol, trucks on diesel, cars are on both diesel and petrol, buses on diesel, scooters, motorcycles, they are on petrol, while tanga and bullock carts don't use any kind of petrol or diesel. Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? At the level crossing there was lots of smoke and noise because many people have not turned off their vehicles. What can we do to reduce noise of the vehicles and save petrol and diesel? To save the petrol and diesel and to reduce the noise pollution, we must turn off our vehicles while we are standing at the level crossing or signal or on the signal cross road. Discuss. Sometimes people cross the trucks even when the crossing is closed. एक मिनट. Sometimes people cross the tracks when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? This is really dangerous. It is rather to wait for 2 minutes rather to take the risk. On the 17th May, 8:30. Later, I was sitting near the window with my even eyes closed. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed. Khad, khad, khad. I opened my eyes. Guess what I saw? Our train was crossing a very big river on a very long bridge. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. The wheels rattled as there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. When I first looked down, I felt giddy. It was really quite scary. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. I could also see some fishermen on the banks. I waved at them, but I did not know if they could see me. होता है ना, कई बार ट्रेन से हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो नीचे देखते हैं तो पास बाय में रिवर होती है या खड्डा होता है या गैप होती है, तो उसके ऊपर एक ब्रिज बनाया जाता है, उसके ऊपर ट्रैक्स होते हैं जहाँ से ट्रेन पास होती है. तो while moving on the land and while moving on the blank area and only on the bridge, the sound of the train gets changed. Alongside our bridge, there was another bridge for buses and cars. This was built differently from ours. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous. Have you seen any bridges? Where? Yes, I have seen bridge like this on the way to Mumbai or on the way to Goa. Have you ever crossed a bridge? Where? Yes, I have crossed this bridge when I was traveling to Goa. What was the bridge built over? The bridge was built on the sea. What did you on the sea? मतलब sea लिख भी सकते हैं और उसको क्या बोलते हैं, होता है एक सी का जो एक छोटा सा पार्ट होता है जो वहाँ पे आके वहाँ से क्रॉस हो रहा है, तो उसके ऊपर भी ब्रिज बनाए गए हैं. द वे ऑफ बंगाल. ओके. What was the bridge built over? Okay, what did you see below the bridge? I saw lots of water below the bridge. Find out why bridges are made. Bridges are made because there is no other way to pass the train. So the bridges are made to keep tracks on it and so that the train can pass. और ब्रिजेस दूसरे ट्रैवलर मतलब होते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए भी, उनके ऊपर रोड भी बनाए जाते हैं सो दैट पीपल कैन गो फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अनदर साइड. 17 May 11:30. The last few hours have been so exciting. After breakfast, I climbed on the upper berth to read my comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly, everything became dark. It also felt a little cold inside. I was afraid. Then the lights in the train came on, but outside it was very dark. Somebody said we have entered a tunnel. This goes right through the mountain. The tunnel seemed to be go on, and then just suddenly we were in the daylight again. होता है टनल में जब भी पास होते हैं तो पूरा ट्रेन के कोचेस में अंधेरा हो जाता है, और टनल्स जो होते हैं वो बड़े लंबे होते हैं, डिस्टेंस होता है, तो उनको हमें मतलब वहाँ से पास होने में भी टाइम लगता है. तो जब अंधेरा हो जाता है तो ट्रेन में ऑटोमेटिकली लाइट्स ऑन किए जाते हैं और अंधेरे को कंट्रोल किया जाता है. इट्स रियली एक्साइटेड टू पास थ्रू द टनल्स. पीपल यूज टू शाउट, स्क्रीम, अजीब अजीब आवाज़ निकालते हैं टू नो दैट they are scared and they are passing through a tunnel. Outside it was sunny. bright and green. The train had crossed the tunnel. Appa explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. Since then, we have passed through 4 smaller tunnels. Now I am enjoying going through the tunnels. Have you ever been through the tunnels? How did you feel? Yes, I have been through the tunnel and I feel little scared but excited. Then route from Goa to Kerala has total 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? It is a long distance from Goa to Kerala. So during that lots of mountains and sea and rivers come on the way. To go from one side to another side we have to construct a bridge on the river so that the train or the vehicle can pass through. And the mountains we cannot make that much high bridge, so we have to go through the mountain, and that is why the tunnels are made. Imagine and draw in your notebook what Omna saw under the bridge when her train crossed. यहाँ पे आपको खुद से करना है ड्रॉ, और ओमना ने वहाँ पे क्या दिखा था वो आपको लिखना है, ड्रॉ करना है. It's 12:15. Imagine if on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges. How would Omna train have crossed the mountains and river? It is very difficult for a train to pass through the mountains and rivers without tunnel and bridges. She could not have reached to the place. 12:15. Now it is afternoon. For lunch we had idli vada that we bought from Udupi station. We also bought some bananas. These were very small and very tasty. The scene outside has changed again. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields were everywhere. Amma says that these are paddy fields. The houses and villages look very different. People's clothes are also different from what we see in Ahmedabad. Every state has its different culture, outfits, food, everything. So यहाँ पे जब वो उडुपी स्टेशन से आगे निकले वहाँ पे उन्होंने बनानास खाए जो वो पूरे डिफरेंट थे. तो वहाँ के लोग, उनका सीन, आउटसाइड के फील्ड, सब कुछ चेंज्ड था कंपेयर टू अहमदाबाद. Most people were wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. कई लोग वहाँ पे उतर चुके थे. People have also got on the train from different stations. और कई लोग अलग अलग स्टेशन से ट्रेन में बैठे भी थे. Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode. This which comes at around 6 o'clock. We have exchanged addresses and plan to meet in Ahmedabad. You will also like Sunil and Anne. Which language do you speak at home? जो अपने घर में लैंग्वेज बोलते हो, मदर टंग है, वो यहाँ पे लिखनी है. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omna's train went through several states of your country. Find out the list where the state is crossed. यहाँ पे कई सारे स्टेट्स आएंगे, तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ मैप लेके बैठ सकते हो और वहाँ पे आप ढूंढ सकते हो कि गुजरात के बाद महाराष्ट्र के बाद गोवा के बाद कौन कौन से स्टेट से होके वो केरला पहुँचे थे. Did you ever have coconut water? Yes. How did you find it? It's really cool and sweet. Draw a coconut tree and discuss in the class about it. Find out in which state these languages are spoken. I highly recommended that this student should sit with the parents and write here the name of the places. I know all the answers, but I really want it कि आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ के ये डिस्कस करें. Now it is night. We have also started packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That is where we have to get off. हमें यहाँ पे उतरना है. Tonight we will go to Valiyamma's house. Tomorrow we will take the bus that will take us to Amma's village. We all are quiet and tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. What a long journey it has been. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now. I will write again after we reach Amma's house. What do you call them? आप किसको क्या बुलाते हैं? Your mother's sister must be Masi. Your mother's mother, Nani. Your father's sister, Bua. Your father's mother, दादी. सो दिस वर दी आंसर्स. और अपने आप मदर टंग में कुछ और बुलाते हैं घर में तो वो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस वॉज द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. I hope you have understood it nicely, and your workbook answers will be sent to you soon. Keep reading, it will improve your English reading. Stay at home, be safe.